Alright, so we're going to be doing 1893, check if all integers in a range are covered. So essentially they're going to give us like this 2D array, like a list with a bunch of lists in it that are going to have like a range. So like it's going to be like from 1 to 2, 3 to 4, 5 to 6, or if it was like 10 to 20 or something like that, it would include all the numbers 10, 11, 12, you know, etc. But yeah, so we also have left and right, which is also like an inclusive range as well. So like we want to check if 2, 3, 4, and 5 are in it, if that makes sense. So yeah, so we're basically be using the any function for a lot of this. So I'll show you the range function. And yeah, so for num in range left and then right plus 1. Yeah, so we have to use plus 1 because the range function itself, like, it doesn't include 5, and we needed to include 5. So yeah, so we're gonna have that going, and then basically we're gonna be like, if not any, and so we're gonna make this, so it's like, we're gonna be like start, then num was equal to end. So yeah, so basically we're gonna be checking, so like in the 3 or like 2, we're gonna be checking, okay, so like is there any in any of these arrays? Like is there, so like between stars, so we're checking a 2 if it's between 1 and 2, basically it'd be like yes it is, so we would ignore that one. But in, wait no, for start in ranges. Alright, so this is how we check through all the arrays. We do this for start and in ranges, which will basically let us go through each and every one of these. And basically puts it so we can put this right in the middle. Makes it pretty easy. And if we do, return false. Alright. And then turn true. So basically, like, if it doesn't find anything in that whole array, so if we didn't find anything in 2, 3, 4, 5, then it would just return false. But if we get through all of them, then we just return true at the end. So here, check it out. Alright, CB's 100%. The memory is a little finicky, but yeah, let me know if you have any questions. Don't forget to like and subscribe.